Every customer in today's date tries to build an emotional connect with every brand that they go with. Hi, this is Priyanka Mandani and I'm founder of Easy to Pitch, telling you few aspects of storytelling, why it's important for every brand building. If you go in your daily life and see that now there are so many advertisements that are giving you a story where you get involved so much that you don't even realize that the ad is for this product or service. So in today's date, storytelling is really important when you are building your brand from scratch. When I started up my entrepreneurship journey, I always tried to bring story in everything I do. Whether it's a LinkedIn post, whether it's communicating about your journey, whether it's about your project, about your journey, how you're passionate towards it, it's about your how you want to deal up with the customers. Anything and everything in today's date is very much in need of a storytelling thing, because that skill is will bring a change in you for more and more engagement. So either you go for investment raise, selling your product and service, or pitching anywhere, any place, your storytelling will help you to bring that emotional connect with the person who is listening to you. Hence, if you're building your brand, this storytelling skill will help you to engage more and more customers, and this will not only just help you to build a brand, but the emotional connect that I'm talking about will help you to make them stay for a longer period of time. Right, because if I talk about, recently I was going through a advertisement that LIC is celebrating its 56 years of existence, and how they celebrated it by bringing the agents and asking them to share their stories live, how their journey was with LIC. And if the way that they are showing, they're telling their experiences in a story way, people gets engaged and want to do the same what they are doing, because that's something inspiring. Right, so if you're talking about your brand building, inspiration, emotional connect is very important, right? So this will not only help to bring in engagement, but number one, if you have a competition along in the same market and you want to sound different, you have to make yourself unique and better. This brand building through an emotional connect, through storytelling, will help you to make yourself different. So hence, storytelling comes in a picture when you start putting yourself or positioning yourself in the market. This can be very easy. You can do it by ad campaigns. You can do by even digital placements, by putting posters, by putting feedbacks, by putting journeys, right? So by this way you can make yourself different. What this help in is bringing that trust. If I know that I'm very much engaging with this brand and its story, why? Because I am understanding not what they are doing or what they are doing for me, but because why they are doing it. Right, and that brings more trust, and you would prefer to buy that brand then, right? And it's not just buying that brand. The person who is seeing this the ad or the brand, he or she will always have that in their subconscious that, okay, I remember this brand, I remember because I saw this story, I saw this advertisement which is full of storytelling. And because storytelling is nothing, it's something which stays in your subconscious, right? So hence, this storytelling will help you to have that connect, for a longer period of time. After having just not the connect, the trust, but also when I say storytelling, it's very much important for brand building. You yourself put your passion around it. You put your feelings, your journey, your experiences, which people would love to hear, right? And brand automatically gets built, right? So hence, add storytelling in your brand building, and it will help you to not only grow but acquire more customers, right, by your listening to your story. So build that trust. So our end goals are nothing but to have that emotional level, that intellectual connect, to reach more and more customers. So hence, storytelling will help us to achieve that goals. This will require not much of the things, just know your customer well. If you know your customer well, you would be able to make them care for you and care for themselves, because you are adding value to their life. So know your audience, know your customer well, analyze their journey, and accordingly build your storytelling, right? Then make them care so that they can buy your product, they can remind you for a longer period of time, and parallelly, they can recommend you to more and more people. For that, another thing that is very important to maintain is to be very much authentic and very much consistent. If I talk about authenticity, you have to be very transparent with your audience. Transparent means if you're telling a story, that transparency, that even sharing the failures are very important sometimes. Bring that transparency, build that connect, build that authenticity, you know, and people will trust you more. So bring that authentic nature of your storytelling. And when I talk about being consistent, consistency help you to maintain that charts. Be, you know, not stagnant but keep on growing. And consistency is nothing, it's just to keep on maintaining your level of boosting. If you're starting it today, you have to keep your level increasing. You know, you cannot just go down, or if you're posting something today, you're ignoring it for the second day or the third day. You have to be consistent with your plan of action if you're talking about brand building. If these things are being covered, you know, being consistent, authentic, you're knowing your audience, you're making them care for your product, you're bringing that emotional connect and trust, your all goals will be achieved when you're building your brand. And storytelling will definitely help you that engagement, because now in today's date, everybody seeks that emotional connect, you know, to stay longer in the journey with the brand. So hence, storytelling is really, really important for your brand building, and it will help you to expand and express more to your customers and to stay in the subconscious. Thank you.